He's huge.
And he's Bob Jr.
There's all these bulls here.
And he's Cupcake. And he's Jeffrey.
They're really cool. I don't think the camera does justice.
And he's a special one. His name is
There's Jeffrey.
That was Jeffrey Stars.
Very cool. Say hey y'all, what's up? We are in a, what is this, the Dallas Park?
The Waco.
In Waco Park. Okay guys, come on. The suspended bridge. Where's Dad? There's these awesome cattle that are like
Out of the way, boy.
humongous. They're so amazing. Oh look, there's water. Mom, chill out. Or you're gonna come out in the video looking neurotic. What is it? Water?
The pond?
Let's follow the bridge.
Can I want a pretty picture here tomorrow.
Picture over there.
Oh, awesome.
Are we supposed to be in the hotel?
Yeah, but we just figured we'd stop and see this first. Because it's cool.
Wait, I'm gonna go around into the thing.
We all look so raggedy.
Who cares? I don't care, but who cares? Bad idea, bad idea, bad idea. Bad idea. Bad idea. No.
Oh,
Afraid
look.
it might crack.
That's really beautiful.
I feel like it might collapse.
What are the girls doing?
Look, why does he get the light behind you? The other
Oh, how awesome. Let's go look at that.
Take your picture by that thing there that we
Oh, look how pretty. Let me see if I can try to zoom. All the pretty lighting over there.
I'd rather not. Hey, look, you can go fishing.
You want to go fishing?
Yeah, I want to go fishing.
So pretty. It's really fun. I love being outside though, so that's always going to be fun for me.
Oh, look, ducks.
This is my most favorite burger restaurant because I love burgers. It is In-N-Out and we are in Waco, Texas. The animal style fries, so good. It's like a savory, like Big Mac sauce on top of fries with cheese. I get my burger all the way. It has spread, it's called a spread. It's not called that sauce. Don't say that, say spread. I get mine all the way with pickles, onions, tomatoes, everything you put on a burger, I'm gonna eat it. So this is my favorite burger.
1 hour later.
So I just finished my whole entire burger and I'm not ashamed of it because that is the whole burger. With animal style fries with no onions is my most favorite in the whole entire
Not too bad.
the best burger ever. And when I'm on keto and when I'm like dieting, when I'm doing my Atkins diet, I always come, well not to here, I go to Freddy's because I have one near me. And it's the closest thing that I can get to In-N-Out, but In-N-Out does do the lettuce wrap burger, which is awesome. So I can have it even when I'm dieting. So it was so good and I love this place. And that's my video, my favorite restaurant. Oh my gosh, we got stuck inside In-N-Out Burger. Look out the window. Get close. It's blurry. Can't see it. There's a bunch of rain though. Believe, trust. Can you tell?
Not really.
Not really? It is raining so hard. Let's try to get it.
I can open the door.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I want to get the
There. Yeah, okay, you got it. We made it.
Oh, it's raining.
The nice lady